The navigation computer is used to solve navigational and flight planning calculations quickly and easily. This interactive computer-based training course produced by Oxford Aviation will teach you how to use the principal functionalities of any brand of navigational computer. In order to achieve this aim, we have created our own virtual instrument. We will begin by describing to you the construction of this virtual instrument. Actual branded instruments will vary slightly in the detail of their layout, but their main features are very similar, and their principle of operation is the same in all cases. The computer has two faces. The first face is the circular slide rule face. The circular slide rule face of the navigation computer has inner and outer scales. While the outer scale is fixed, the inner scale is free to rotate. There are two index marks on the inner scale. The red triangle with the number 10 in it is the index which is used when manipulating the computer as a rotary slide rule. We'll refer to this throughout the CBT as the 10 index. The white triangle with the 60 in it is utilized when making calculations concerning time, distance, and speed. We'll refer to this throughout the CBT as the 60 index. A cursor is provided to make the task of reading between the two scales easier and the results achieved much more accurate.